Nader Habib surveys his life in the Egyptian capital, Cairo. But it could all have been so different for Nader. He thought he'd won the chance to emigrate to the United States.
When I applied for the lottery, I had very little hope to win because millions of people apply. When I was selected, it was a huge surprise.
But Nader's happiness didn't last long. 13 days after the lottery was drawn, the U.S. State Department put out this statement.
Regrettably, the results that were previously posted on this website are not valid. They were posted in error. These results are not valid because they did not represent a fair, random selection of the entrants as required by U.S. law.
Deeply disappointed, Nader found a Facebook site called 22,000 Hopes.
I
found out all about this online, that this group of 7 people have raised a case in court on behalf of the 22,000 people that won.
The group started on Facebook but quickly grew and is now administered by Armand Gill. She was one of the 22,000 hopefuls and is now one of 36 plaintiffs in a civil lawsuit against the U.S. State Department.
We hoped they would get back to us and give us an outreach and try to negotiate with us or give us an opening, give us a compromise. They did none of that. So we had no other alternative but to go for a class action lawsuit.
Armand hired lawyer Kenneth White.
It's not 22,000 numbers, it's 22,000 individuals who received this promise from the State Department allowing them to go forward.
In Cairo, Nader wonders if he'll ever make it to the United States. The case is being handled by the U.S. Department of Justice and heard before a judge who must decide if the 22,000 names stand or whether the State Department has the right to put them back in the mix and start the process all over again. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, Washington.